Hello everyone, dear friends. I will show you my own example of how I trade and earn using my strategy for several years, with a complete breakdown. So, subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and I wish everyone a pleasant viewing, and we begin. Today is our day off, and we have the OTC currency pair as well as a number of stocks that can also be traded. Look, to start, I will take a 5-minute time frame, guys. A 5-minute time frame, so we will look at the overall picture and determine where to enter in one direction or another. And while I find the entry, guys, I invite you to my closed Telegram channel where we have created our community and trade with traders from Monday to Friday. There, we provide analytics and signals, meaning signals from 3 to 5 minutes, quite confidently. And we try to make 200 points. By the way, look guys, while I'm telling you, yesterday we traded and noticed 6 wins and 0 losses. That's the statistics. And before that, we had similar stats. So, check it out. Join if you want to trade with me. Look at catch-up. I would actually work on a downward movement. Let's switch to the 1-minute time frame. Now I'm switching to the 1-minute time frame, and we'll take one trade today. And let's take $200. I want to trade a bit more interestingly. In general, look here, why I took a downward position on this currency pair. It's clear on the 5-minute chart that there was a movement of absorption, and the price, well, at least our first area is where the price will reach and possibly only react from it. When the price approaches, you see what kind of reaction there was from this area. Quite good, so the reaction from this level occurred. Accordingly, the price is going down. Now I understand that it will at least reach this area. Plus, we have a local minimum just below here, and this was all visible on the 5-minute chart, and I decided to enter the trade for exactly 2 minutes for $200. In short, if the trade goes well, guys, I earn $184 in pure profit. I think there's nothing complicated. I'm sharing from experience. There are weekends too. You can trade then as well. And what's good about OTC pairs is that everyone has 92%. It makes me happy. This is only beneficial for us. Our task is to find a good situation and work it out, and to take the profits or losses. Statistics have been quite good lately. We had very good results for 2 weeks, starting from 5,000. I reached $8,000 in, I don't remember, maybe 9 days. Well, less than 2 weeks. I remember when I was replenishing. In general, we are moving slowly, but steadily towards our goal. We are trading, and now I decided, guys, to enter with $200. I want to earn a bit more. And by the way, I am combining on the next currency pair. I can, enter with 80. I have this sometimes. I don't trade with a single stake. I can do 200 somewhere, like now. I decided, I think I need to diversify the video and, first of all, earn a bit. It's a good situation. Why not earn a bit? Because in the next situation, I can enter with $100. Great, we closed this trade in profit. It closed at 53 points. We worked well on the downward movement that was expected. There was a red candle, and that's when I entered. Here we had the price hitting a level, and there was an amazing downward movement. So the first area is where the price might go, and we could work it out, but we did work it out and took our profitable trade of $180 in pure profit. Now we can move on. Look. There is a reaction from the level happening right now. There are many situations, not just on one currency pair. Let's move on and see. Let's switch back to the 5-minute chart to get a broader picture. Look here. I will take, by the way, $150 for Monday for 2 minutes. It's a good situation. Here, the price has approached the area again, from which there was a good retracement movement. We have 5-minute candles. Just a reminder. Note that from this part we indeed had a very strong movement down. I hope that the price will react now as well. Believe 2 minutes will be enough. Let's see, guys. If anything, an additional entry can be used. It's not a big deal. I will then use the additional entry for 1 minute, possibly. Either on this currency pair or another, or for 2 minutes. So we always trade differently, guys. The reaction here could indeed see the price break through and go higher, even breaking this area. The movement was good from this area before, and we are working it out now to the maximum. The risk is noticeable. Let's see this trade. Let's look at the 5-minute chart. It will be clearer this way. Write in the comments, guys. What trading methods do you use? What expiration time do you prefer? For 10 minutes, maybe someone trades on the 1-minute chart. Look, I used to make videos, by the way. I can make one for you later if you give a thumbs up and let me know. 1-minute strategy. The 1-minute strategy also has its place, guys. In general, every trader trades differently. I've used 1-minute and 30-second trades, but that's just for fun sometimes. Overall, it's always different since the market changes, and you have to adapt and trade in a different way. On Monday, the market is one way, and on Tuesday, it's another. Everything changes. Look here, it's a dangerous situation. We closed in profit. Excellent. Look, although, by the way, some say the broker closes in the negative. So, we made a profit of $138. We did. That's it. I'm leaving this currency pair. The signal worked out weakly. You see, the reaction just started from this area that I mentioned, but it's okay, we worked it out. The main thing is that we took a profit. We can look from above again to see what we have here. In principle, there are 2 clean trades. Look, I'm working on a downward movement for 1 minute. Now I'll show you. I'm taking $100. It's a good movement on the M5, it's all visible. So, despite the possibility of a loss, pay attention to these wicks. The price has been rising for a long time, about 40 minutes. And now there's consolidation. Look how many times it touched this area, and the price was pushed down every time. Accordingly, we are also entering for a decline. The price will clearly fall in the near future. More precisely, this downward movement has started, a bearish engulfing, and the price will drop. I'll look at the 1-minute chart. I hope it will be enough for me to work out this signal. If necessary, I will use an additional entry into the market, maybe for 2 or 3 minutes. Let's see, guys, maybe for 1 minute. Otherwise, the video will be too long. Many people don't like to watch for long. But now the main thing for me is to see that the downward movement is working out, just as expected. Well, here it is. I switched to the 5-minute time frame. We closed the trade in profit. As I said, after seeing the shadows, the buyer's movement has stopped, and there is no more strength. This was evident, so after this, the price will usually fall. So look, I conducted a normal trading session here. We closed the trade in profit here, and profit here. I won't be greedy. In principle, thank you all for trading with me. I also invite you once again to my closed club. For now it's free. But in the future there will be a $50 entry to our closed group where people receive trading signals. So for now it's free, guys. Write to me, reach out. I wish everyone good luck and a good mood. Bye.